Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is a problem, and to solve this partial fraction we have to use the long division rules. So we got the factor of the expression. At first write the expression in the left side equal, we got twenty-four minus x over the result is 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 square, right? Now for partial fraction you have to write the 24 minus x over something expression x minus 3 square equal a over 2x plus 1 plus all as plus sign b over x minus 3 plus, for the squared factor is squared, how to solve it I have explained in my previous videos. You may watch the videos. So a b over x minus 3 for the square whole square, so plus another c over x minus 3 square. If it is a cube, then a over x plus b over x square plus c over x cube. Okay, and now it is equation number 1. Left side is left side as it is, square LCM, the factors, it It is for A 2x plus 1 is eliminate, for B 2x x minus 3 only eliminate, so 2x plus 1 x minus 3, and for C x minus 3 whole square is eliminate, so 2x plus 1 only. And you know, cancel out both of them, they are same. 24 minus x equal A over as it is x minus 3 square plus B 2x plus 1 x minus 3 plus C 2x plus 1. It is equation number 2. And now we have to substitute the value of x in the equation 2. So at first, which one you want to substitute? There is a two values, 2x plus 1 and x minus 3. So at first 2x plus 1 equals to 0, the x equals to minus half. So substitute x minus half in the equation 2. 24 minus half equal, which part must be 0? 2x plus 1 for B, 2x plus 1 for C. So B and C, this whole part must be 0 because they has 2x plus 1. Okay, if you substitute half in the B and C part, they must be 0. So no need calculation. A equals to 2. Now we have to substitute the value of x equal 3. X minus 3 equals 0, x equal 3. Okay. Substitute it in the equation 2. 24 minus 3. Which part must be 0? The part A and part B must be 0, right? Because both of them has x minus 3 factor. So if you put the value of 3 over there, they must be 0. So no need to show the calculation. Just write the 0. What is the value of C? 3 to 6, 24 minus 3, it is equals to 3. And now there is no factor, so you can use the x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2. So I am using the x equals to 0 in the equation 2. 0 minus 3, that is square, it is 9a, right? Okay, I'm showing you. It is 0 plus 1 and 0 minus 3 plus 0 plus 1 for C. And already we have C values and 9a minus 3b plus C. Put the value of A and put the value of C over here. What is the value of A? Remember, it is 2 and B, C equals 3. Put the value of A and C in the expression to find out the value of B. It is so much easy. B equal, what is the result? It is minus 1. So substitute all the values A, B, C in the equation 1. You can watch my previous videos in this chapter for better understood. B value is negative, so negative and positive, it is negative sign. And C value is positive, so it is 3 over something. I hope you understand. See you in the next class.